What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. And yes, ladies and gentlemen, we're about to go do work on my Coyote swapped 92LX. We are nearing the finish line. First, I got to do a few things. As you can see over here, I have parts and several merch orders I got to get shipped out first on the way. Yes, I do have merch. If you want to check out all the merch, go to thefoxcast.com. Got shirts, hoodies, hats, poster, like everything, literally keychains. I've even got phone cases, for God's sake. No, I don't say a whole lot about the merch, because if you want to buy the merch, you know where to get it, so I'm not going to sit here and bore you with that. But anyway, with that being said, we got to get some work done today, so let's roll. All right, y'all, so oh god, that's not good. Absolutely no concrete. Before I even get into what's going on at the shop today, we still have no concrete. We're building this massive shop out here, which if you're on the patron page, which the link is right below you, check it out. All of the free car build giveaways that we're going to be doing are going on in that shop, and they still haven't poured the concrete, but it's coming, I promise you. Just like my transmission, you know, all that. But Alex just pulled up in this beast. Now, you've seen Alex on the channel many times. He's building the black notch with the Boss intake on the Coyote, all that. Well, Alex like buys and rebuilds trucks, which is part of the reason and part of the where we get all the Coyote engines. But he just pulled up in this, and I want you to drop me a comment below. Let me know if this should be the new shop truck. It doesn't have black interior. If it had black interior, it would be like a done deal. But yeah, 6'7", I think 13 or 14, I don't know. But I am on the hunt for a shop truck. I've got to have one, and you know how I roll. It's gonna be a Ford. But anyway, let's go see what's popping off in the shop. Oh yeah, we're doing work. Oh yeah, everybody look out, the camera is on. I repeat, the camera is on. There's Alex. Alex, we need to talk about that 250 out there. Hey, can you score me some black interior though for it? For what? For that one? I gotta have black interior. Oh, good. That's a chunk. But anyway, this is Corey. Corey's got the carbureted 4i, which you've seen on the channel a few times. We'll check that out here in a minute. And then, of course, where'd Dover go? Dover's gone. Okay, so back to what we were doing. This is the black GT you saw in a couple uploads back. It got dropped off. Already working on this bad boy. New clutch is in, just about to put the transmission in, put this one back together. But as you can see, this is the car that sat for over 2 years, totally neglected. I mean, look at this, cobwebs everywhere. I mean, it's just what a shame this car sat. But the good news is it's here at the shop, and we're doing all kinds of stuff to it. It's getting a new clutch, obviously. We're going to replace the heater core, fix some of the old vacuum lines, just a lot of the little fixes that a Fox body that sat for a long time and it has been, you know, quite frankly, kind of neglected. We're going to be doing all of that to this car, and again, one owner. I mean, this thing is beautiful, basically stock. I mean, not much going on. My God, we need some tires, but oh well. But yes, we are saving this car too. We save them all because we love them all, because they rock and it's so much fun to work on. Anyway, let's see what else is popping up. All right, so, and of course you got to check out the built rear end to be going in my car. Yes, ready to rock and roll. But Corey, what are you doing under there?
Sleep.
Is he sleeping? Corey is asleep under his car, and of course he's got Alex up here working. Something's not right about this picture here.
Look at the trans brake wire back up.
Trans brake wire. So we did figure out what the little fire was all about. We had a fuel leak, and of course some transmission fluid coming out. But all of that has been handled. How far are we away from hearing this thing make some noise? About an hour or so?
Yeah, about an hour.
Oh, that's not good.
Wow, no.
I mean, Alex is on the job. Like, he can make this happen in no time. And Corey, you said this is a 393?
351.
351. Okay, so stock bore stroke Windsor. And then the heads are trick flow?
Got a set of Victor Jr.
Ah, Victor Juniors. Okay. Just as good, if not better.
600 left cam.
Okay. Is it roller or solid or
Yeah, it's roller.
roller cam?
Mm-hmm.
Nice.
1.6 roller rockers.
So the only thing I really see missing here is the nitrous.
And it's going on next.
Okay, sweet. And then we got to do some pulls, because I guarantee you this thing gets rowdy in a hurry.
He's lifting the wheels with the 5-speed.
Now it's got a C4, so it's going to be a little more tame on the track, and hopefully get some more ET rocking. But we should have this thing back rocking here shortly. All right, Dover, what's the update? What are we doing?
Just getting ready to go back in.
Gonna put that transmission back in it?
Get ready.
Yeah. Drive it out here. What other projects we gonna do on this old turd?
The clutch, flywheel, heater core.
There is the
Few
train.
other little things.
Lots of little things, and pretty sure this transmission had the original fluid in it. Not 100% sure, but it was pretty nasty. So there's the old Soldier T5. It's alive. And let's see what else. Of course, my engine over here, just kind of waiting and wanting for that transmission. All right, guys. So I actually did have some more parts showed up that I wanted to show you, especially if you're swapping into a Coyote. And these are the for the fuel system. Hold on, let me grab these things. You absolutely have to have these to make your fuel system right. I'm gonna set them right here, let you check them out. Basically, these are your fuel line adapters to make the Coyote fuel rail work with your stock Foxbody V8 fuel lines. So this is basically all you need. There's your part number for this one, and I will have these in the description. I will have these part numbers in here. But these are the fittings right here. Those are the only 3 fittings that you need to make the fuel system work. And basically your stock V8 Foxbody Mustang fuel lines will work just fine. I did change the pump, which I didn't show you. I mean, if you don't know how to change a Foxbody fuel pump, it's time to go back to square one. But anyway, we've got a Aeromotive 340 LPH pump, and these fuel line fittings right here. And my fuel pressure regulator did not show up, but it's on the way too, and I'll show you that when it comes in. But that's all you need to feed the beast. So more parts, more progress. That's a good thing. Did have a lot of comments and a lot of questions in the past couple of uploads about Mr. Hankey. Yes, the Coyote swap wagon. It is essentially done. Let me open the hood if I can. It is essentially done. Just a few more connections. Cold air is actually on the way. And yeah, just basically needs a few more connections, and the Coyote swap wagon will be done. Now, if you're new to the channel, this is Mr. Hankey, and there's several videos on Mr. Hankey, how we got it and all that. But of course, Fox body wagon, and see we've kind of pimped it out with all the stickers and everything like that. But this is going to be essentially the shop car. It's got a Tremec 3550 in it. You know, so it's a stick car. I mean, it's going to be the coolest freaking thing you've ever seen. Wagon, stick shift, Coyote. I mean, how can you beat that? I mean, this is kind of the, oh look, it's a cup holder. This is kind of the farm truck for the Ford guys. I mean, it's gonna be a beast. And I mean, let's be honest, how many poop brown LTD wagons do you see running around with Coyotes? Not that it hasn't been done, because I got several buddies that have, but this car is going to be awesome. Yes, we're leaving these wheels on it, and we will probably never even wash it, but it's going to be a beast, and we're going to hurt some feelings with this thing. So, Caleb. Oh, Ken, you've arrived.
Yes, I have.
What's up,
What are we
dude?
in here doing?
Well, we're putting a clutch
Dude,
quadrant.
The sun coming through has got a nice glow on you.
Do I look
You
like an
almost
angel?
Look angelical, but I know better.
I look like an angel.
So what we got going on today, guys?
Well, just got the clutch in the car. Dover's throwing a new quadrant in it, and we're gonna fire this whole turd up, see how she sounds.
Guys, if you watch the Foxcast channel, this car.
All right, guys. So success. New clutch cable, new quadrant, new clutch. Everything's back together, and Mr. Speed Addict 731 himself gets the honor of the first fire. Ken, let her rip, dude.
Fire and hoe. Nope, he ain't got the berry button. Good.
Yep. Good. Good. Uh-oh.
Oh, yeah. I think you gotta give it a little gas.
Yeah, we gotta fix that thing. Yeah, we gotta do a little tuning on her. But success! She's alive! Heck yeah.
How's that feel?
Put it in gear, let her rip. There she goes. Winning.
When did she disengage? When did she engage and disengage?
It's hard to tell, it's still running. Oh well. Alright guys, so that is what is up going on at the shop today. Lots of updates, kind of got you up to speed on what's happening at the shop. We will be wiring Mr. Hankey. You will see Mr. Hankey fired very, very shortly, I promise you. My trans should be shipping out next week. I know I've said that before, but I promise you it is. It is. So, in the meantime, if you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. Make sure you smash that subscribe button. We'll be back with you next week. Later.